This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Tuesday, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. Not even a year old and already having to get the anchor replaced. Norwegian Prima lost her starboard anchor in Grand Cayman during a cruise at the end of January. The ship was anchored off the island when it initially lost the anchor to the seabed. These photos show Prima last week in Grand Cayman only having one anchor on board. These photographs courtesy of Steve Parks. Thank you, Steve. The anchor was replaced on Sunday, though, when the ship returned to Port Canaveral. Prima left Central Florida later that afternoon with a brand new anchor westbound for the Western Caribbean. And Carnival Cruise Line President Christine Duffy joined Guy Fieri's free Super Bowl tailgate party on Sunday, surprising fans with free cruises. Duffy got on stage donning her Eagles gear with Guy Fieri to announce that Carnival would be giving away 25 cruises to veterans, active military, and first responders in the crowd. Fieri's tailgate also included diners, drive-ins and dives, restaurant pop-ups, bars, local vendors, and a concert. By the way, put that graphic up, the Virgin Voyages one that shows 3835 Kansas City. It's pretty cool what they did there. And finally, following a number of rock slides at the port area in Skagway last year, work has been progressing on mitigation and is scheduled to be done just in time for this year's cruise season. The town's mayor is looking forward to a busy year this year, saying, quote, "I firmly believe that we will host a record number of cruise passengers in 2023. If not, we will be close." After 2 years of little to no visitors due to COVID, Skagway's cruise season was dampened last year when the railroad dock was closed due to the landslides. Skagway's first cruise ship this year is Norwegian Bliss on April 18th. And cruise line stocks were up on Monday. Carnival Corporation up 4.3%, 11.64. Royal Caribbean up 3.3, 73.99. And Norwegian up 4.2, 16.93. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Have a tip or a lead on a news story? Let us know. Email tips@cruiseradio.net.